Now let us recall that the energy stored by a parallel plate capacitor having dimension, the distance between the two plates is small d, area of each plate is A, and potential across the two plates is V, having capacitance C, capacitance of this capacitor is C. We have the energy stored by this capacitor is half CV square. Now earlier we have calculated the capacitance of this capacitor in air as epsilon naught A upon D, where epsilon naught is the permittivity of space, A is area of cross section or area of the plates, and small d is the distance between the plates. And also we have studied the relation between electric field intensity, potential and distance. So the electric field intensity is negative gradient of potential, and here we are concerned with the magnitude only. V upon D is equal to E, or V is equal to E into D, electric field intensity into distance. So electric field intensity is existing between these two plates and this is the distance. Recall that the electric field between the parallel plate capacitor is uniform and shown by parallel lines. So now we put these values in this equation. So we have U is equal to half epsilon naught A upon D for C and E into D square for this V potential. So these we have used these two formula in the above formula. So we have this one. Now here is a concept, energy density. Of a parallel plate capacitor, and it is defined as small u is equal to capital U upon volume. Now capital U is this one, and volume of this capacitor, volume of capacitor is V is equal to volume is equal to area into distance. So therefore small u, energy density, comes out to be capital U upon volume. Capital U is half epsilon naught A upon small d into E into D whole square upon A into D. So here I think this will go to the denominator. So we have half epsilon naught A E square D square in the numerator, epsilon naught A E square D square in the numerator, and A D square in the denominator. So A will cancel out, D square will cancel out, and we are left with small u is equal to half epsilon naught into E square. So this is the energy density, and this is very important and is asked in board examinations.